Hello and welcome back. So guys, in this class I just want to show you that what is the CSS. CSS stands for the Cascade Style Sheet. CSS is very easy to understand, very easy. You just need to put the color. If you just want to add some color, then just type color and put the color name, for example the color red. If you just want to put the background color, then just type background color and put the value of the background color as blue, green or whatever. By CSS we can stylize our web pages with colors, styles and themes. Yeah, exactly. If you just want to make a complete theme, you have to use the CSS. If you just want to make some styles in your page, if you just want to add some colors, then you have to use the CSS. CSS can be used in three ways: inline CSS, internal CSS and the external CSS. What is the difference between them? The inline CSS can be used in the line where you just call your tag. You can use the inline CSS by adding the style attribute. I mean to say, in this way you can simply use the CSS in an attribute, the style attribute. The internal CSS can be applied in the head tag, just before the body tag. You know about the head tag already. After the title tag you can put the value, you can create the style tag, then you can create the complete CSS. But in this way you just cannot use the attribute, because attribute must require the tag. There you can use the CSS by the tag style now a tag. The external CSS is meant by creating a new and external file, a complete CSS file, which will have the extension of .css, not the .html anymore. There you will be free to put as much as CSS content you want to put, you can. We have to call CSS by IDs and classes and tag names too, and sometimes the attributes too, by the way. What are the IDs? The IDs are basically the identification of any element, like any div element, any the paragraph element. For example, there are 4 paragraphs, so every paragraph can have different IDs. Otherwise they all look like the same, means the 4 paragraph, the 4 p tags. To divide them you can use the IDs. The specialty of ID is that you should not use the same ID for multiple tags. Just you know that if you have an identity card, you have a unique number on your identity card, so you should no one can have the same number of your card. And the classes, if you just want to make a group of tag, or you can say that you want to apply same selector name to all the tags or multiple tags, basically 2 tags, 3 tags or 4 tags, then you should use the classes instead of the IDs. Just like we are in a 4 class, and in a 4 class there are a lot of people, okay, and every people have a single ID. CSS has multiple selection techniques, as we just talked about, that you can select the element by its IDs, by classes, by tags and their siblings and etc. So guys, all this is called the CSS. We'll learn some more things in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.